Okay, so I needed a change of scenery. Hi, I'm Auden. I made this bag by SewVeryEasy. That's Laura's YouTube channel. I just did a Google search for an extra large tote bag and I followed her tutorial. This is my first ever bag and I really appreciate Laura because she was very supportive. I sent her some messages and was like freaking out about straps, and she like asked to see my finished project and was like really sincere like in her feedback, and I appreciate that. So anyway, I made this with like an extra long drop, which is the length from shoulder to here, because the person I made this for really likes a long drop, so that's why it's long. It's huge and I love it and it's perfect. All these are pockets. Look at these. This is made out of duck canvas. I pre-washed all the fabric, which is phenomenal because that means you can wash the bag. It has like one of those recessed zippers, which I think looks really snazzy and like super professional. I can't believe I made this. Like, I couldn't have done it without her tutorial. I actually made two. This is my prototype because I messed up on the, I knew I was gonna make two because it was my first bag, but I like messed up on like hiding how I connected my straps and stuff. Anyways, so inside the bag I put in a zipper pocket in my liner, but like the bag looked kind of clean, like it looked nice inside, and so I thought about just like top stitching down the seams and not even having a liner, but at the same time it's kind of nice to like shake out your bag. I don't know if anyone else does that. I do that sometimes. So yeah, like it's super pretty. Laura gives the best instructions, and I'm pretty like obsessed with bag making now. I made this on my Singer 2012, and I have a video about my love affair with that vintage machine. But yeah, so like I've now made 3 bags and I don't think I'm gonna stop. So thank you to SewVeryEasy for this awesome tote bag that people keep ordering up. Like they see me or they see the bag and they're like, oh, you made that? Can I have one? And I'm like, you can make one. Everybody can do it. So yeah, if I did it, everybody can do it. Yeah, so thanks for watching.